Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I'm going to prepare Paneer Bhurji. So to prepare this recipe, ingredients required are I have taken 200 grams of paneer and I have crumbled it with my hands. 2 large onions, I have chopped it finely. 1 big tomato, roughly chopped. This is garam masala powder. I'll be using 1/4 teaspoon. Salt as per our taste. I'll be using oil for cooking. 2 green chilies. I have cut them into small pieces. You can increase or reduce the amount of these green chilies depending upon the spiciness you want. Fresh coriander leaves, roughly chopped. Half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Here in dry spices I have taken uh, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder. This is cumin seeds. I have taken again 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and this is half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, and I have taken 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now friends, this is optional black pepper powder. If you don't want, please do not add this. This gives a different flavor to this recipe. So now let's start cooking. So friends, here I have heated 2 tablespoons of oil in the kadhai and I will add the cumin seeds. Reduce the flame, let it splatter for some time. Now I will add the chopped onions. We'll saute this over high flame for about 30 seconds. Now friends, after sauteing it, we'll add the ginger garlic paste. And the dry spices. At this stage friends, we will add the green chilies also and the tomatoes also. And now cook this over a medium flame till the spices get cooked properly and our tomatoes also gets cooked. For the tomatoes to get cooked fast, we will add little bit of salt also. We'll add salt as per our taste. Now we'll cook this over a medium flame. Now friends, as you can see, tomatoes are cooked. So now I will add the crumbled paneer. I will mix it. I will add little coriander leaves. I'll cook this for near about 3 minutes over medium flame. Now we will add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. This will give a lovely aroma, and the remaining coriander leaves. We'll mix it. And we'll put off the flame now and transfer it to the serving bowl. So here is our yummy Paneer Bhurji ready. Very easy recipe, friends. Do try this at home. If you liked my recipe, friends, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. See you soon, friends. Bye.